Hey guys, have you ever wondered how to create your own kitchen timer for eggs or other things? Well, now you can make your own. Let's show you how. More detailed instructions can be found on our website, which shall be released soon. Here's a copy of the schematic that we used. We used one 47 kilo ohm resistor, four 330 ohm resistors, and two 0 ohm resistors, an integrated circuit unit, a capacitor, an electrolytic capacitor, push button, a transistor, 16 LEDs, one buzzer, a battery holder, and then the outer casing. Because this project took a while to build, we won't be showing you everything in the video, however we will be showing you the last few bits. You can download the schematic from our website, as we've already said, or otherwise more detailed instructions. In went our last component, the integrated circuit. Once all of our components had been fitted, we then checked just to see that the solder had been correctly put in.